So today we're going to be looking at a double door garage. This one is 20 by 30, vinyl sided garage, and it's got a cape band roof on it. Front garage doors, they're both 8 by 7. 8-inch wall height on this one. 336 by 48 insulated windows. 3-foot Prehung single door. So here's the side of it. Looking forward to the entrance door. This is the back, no windows on the back at all. Let's take a peek inside. You could utilize this loft area, although I'm sure they had to put that in for the framework on these garage doors. Looks like it would certainly support a little more weight if you want to use it for storage. That's looking up in front. It looks like they got pieces of furniture in here also for storage. But those are your two doors. And they are insulated, as is the entrance door here. Show you what the front looks like. Something like this you'd have to pour a cement pad for. Not a big deal. There's the other side, 2 windows on it. There's your cement pad. Alright guys, so there's your 20 by 20 garage, 2 doors for your cars or whatever you may want to put in there. Thanks for watching, see you on the next video.